Alright guys, GMC ACADIA 2012. Gonna show you how to replace the starter motor, right? First of all, I'm gonna tell you good luck. Secondly, watch this video complete. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel called RC USA 201. Again, it's RC USA 201. Great videos on that, right? Anyways, starter went bad on this car. Looked at the starter from the bottom and I said, holy cow, alright? But then I wanted to make this job easy, alright? So see this heat shield? This is located right down here, just like that. And you can pull this right off between the harness. Disconnect this oxygen sensor. First thing I did was disconnect this oxygen sensor, right? Also, you're gonna see this, God knows what the hell this thing is. It's probably something for the evap. You're gonna take off the number 10 right here and number 10 right here. Put this to the side. I took off the oxygen sensor before I even removed this. Then I realized, take this off, bada bing, bada boom. Now, I got this long little ratchet here with the long, I put 3 extensions together, number 15. All right. Right there's one bolt. Right here's one bolt, and right there's one bolt. All right, 3 of these bolts are for the catalytic converter. All right, down below you got 2 bolts going into the bottom of the catalytic converter. Take this off. There's a little hanger bolt right next to that bottom oxygen sensor, like you're facing that way. If you look at the car, it's facing that way. It's a number 15. Use a deep socket. I didn't even remove the oxygen sensor down there. Take that out, right? So also on this shield you have number 10 here, number 10 there, number 10 right there. Take off the cover right here. See that big cover I got right there? Took that off. From right here you can fish those bolts out. Alright, so the 2 bolts for the shield, one goes from right here, long deep extension, the other one from right there. So this is facing like that inside. Alright, so from right here you're gonna get this bolt. From right there you're gonna get the other bolt. And oh, I'm sorry, the bolt is facing this way. This bolt you're gonna get from right here, but the other 2 bolts you're gonna get one from right here. The other one you're gonna have to remove this. Who the hell knows what the hell this is? If you remove that, you should be able to get that second bolt from right there, right? And then you have access to remove the 3 bolts. That's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll come back and we'll continue. All right, guys. All right, you see this? I got the extension right through here. Got it right on top of that bolt right there. All right, and all you need to do is turn this one out. And I did heat these bolts little bit. I used a mini torch. If you got a mini ductor, that's even better, guys. All right, second bolt, I'm gonna go right through here. And there you go. I had this pre-loose already, so I just want to show you guys. So my manifold, I mean not the manifold, the catalytic converter is all loose because I already have the 2 in the bottom loose already. All right, and I thought I could turn these by hand, but nope. And this one might be hot because I heated it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get these out and then I'll show you the bottom piece. All right, guys, right down here I took off the 15 from right here. Took off these 2 bolts, they're number 13, and I should be able to get this converter out of here, but I'm not gonna be able to hold the camera. And the starter is right down there. All right, we will have a lot of access to the starter. But anyways, let me see if I can get this off, but I'm not gonna be able to hold the camera, guys, so I will show you once I have it out. I might not bring it all the way out. I might put this converter to the side, but let's see how it works out. All right, guys. Man, twist it, turn it, wiggle it, push this little guy to the side. You should be able to get this guy out. All right, I'm showing you step by step because, guys, I can't hold the camera right here. But it should come down. All right, very easy. It wasn't even that difficult. All right, just this little guy right there. You see this guy right here? That was bothering me, but all I did was I twisted it, bang, it came right out. And guys, look at the space we have. All right, there's the starter for the GMC ACADIA. Took off the catalytic converter, and now we can work on the starter. Right, so this one has 15 here, 15 up there, and a whole bunch of wiring. I'm sure you guys know how to remove the starter on any other car. Let me continue this, and once I have it out, and after that, it's just a reverse procedure. got everything out, got the 15 out from here, got the 15 out here. You're gonna have number 8 right here. I'm gonna show you. It has a small shield over here. Take off that number 8 right here, and then make sure your battery is disconnected. Number 13 off that cable that's hanging right there. That goes here. Remove this 1 pin connector. This little thing broke, so I'm gonna put something so it doesn't get out of there. All right, and your starter should come out. All right, after all this, after doing all this crazy stuff, the starter motor should just simply back off. And then let me swap hands. All right, let me bring my light out too. The starter's still in there. We're gonna take it out together, guys, but let me manage my light. All right, so there's the starter here, hanging here. And once it's on the floor, I'm gonna show you guys. All right, and there's the starter, guys. The part number or EM part number is right there, and I'll give you our aftermarket Remy starter part number. All right, so you're gonna have this shield here, right? This little shield, and it's gonna have number 8 going right through here. So the shield goes here, and then the number 8 goes right there. All right, remove that first. Then take off 13. This is the 13 that I took off here, exactly right there. That's the number 13. And then you got the 1 pin connector. That's the control cable right there. Make sure your battery is disconnected because this cable that's here is hot. All right, 2 bolts. 1 goes through here, 1 through right there. All right, and that's it. The starter's out, guys. All right, and this is all the tools I use. This is 15 and this is 13. All right, reverse the procedure is put the starter in, tighten everything, put the cables in, put the shield on, and that's it. But let me take you guys over here. Let me show you the starter that I got for this car. All right, let me remove my label. All right, so this is the starter, Remy. Part number's right there. Lifetime guarantee, guys. Check out my RC here, guys. Spectrum technology. All right, this is my RC Creighton 8S. Got the body sitting right there. It's a mess out here, but we'll fix it, no problem. But subscribe to my other channel, guys. It's called RC USA 201. RC USA 201. You have to type in RC space USA space 201, and that should take you to my channel. I do heck of a stunts, videos, battles with these cars, all right? And I got a whole bunch on the shelf over there, all right? Anyways, guys, thank you. Subscribe. Bye-bye. I hope this video helped you. And I know it's a big job, even though I said good luck, but you can do it, all right? And stay tuned for the rest of my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to both of my channels, all right? Bye-bye. All right, guys, I got my starter in and everything is in. I got catalytic converter in, and we're all set to go. All I need to do is put a couple of bolts in, then go up on the top, all right? But I'm gonna do the top first and then the bottom because I need to maneuver around on the top.